A DJ mixer is the heart of any DJ setup and an essential tool for creating smooth transitions, unique soundscapes, and engaging performances. It acts as a control hub that connects multiple audio sources, such as turntables, CD players, laptops, or digital controllers, allowing the DJ to blend and manipulate tracks seamlessly. At its core, a DJ mixer provides control over the volume, EQ, bass, mid, and treble, and gain of each audio channel, enabling DJs to adjust and balance the sound in real time. One of its standout features is the crossfader, which makes it possible to transition smoothly between tracks or layer them for creative mixing. Modern DJ mixers are much more than basic sound controllers. They are sophisticated tools packed with features designed to elevate performances. Built-in effects, such as reverb, delay, filters, and phasers, give DJs the ability to add flair and creativity to their mixes. Many mixers also include loop controls and performance pads, allowing for real-time sampling and beat manipulation. Advanced models integrate seamlessly with DJ software like Rekordbox, Serato, or Traktor, offering digital tools such as sync functionality, waveform displays, and customizable effects, all accessible directly from the mixer. Additionally, DJ mixers cater to different styles of DJing. For turntablists and scratch DJs, responsive crossfaders and precise jog wheels are key, while club DJs benefit from multiple channels and robust connectivity for external devices. High-end mixers even offer standalone operation, meaning they can function independently of a laptop, making them ideal for live performances. Whether you're spinning tracks at a club, performing at festivals, or practicing at home, the DJ mixer is the tool that brings everything together. It's where you craft your transitions, shape your sound, and create energy that resonates with your audience. From beginner-friendly models with intuitive layouts to professional-grade mixers with advanced capabilities, the DJ mixer is an indispensable piece of gear for turning music into a dynamic and unforgettable experience.